In the Changemaker series, Awaaz the Voice now brings you 10 inspiring stories of people from Bihar you may have never heard about. These are not just tales but real examples of grassroots transformation. The heroes in these stories are diverse. Some of them are involved in social causes, some are reshaping education, others making a mark in various walks of life. Adab, I'm Ameena Majid and you're watching Awaaz the Voice. The first story is about Khurshid Ahmed, who played a pivotal role in reviving Bihar's cultural soul and turning Patna into a vibrant center of literature and arts. He has brought traditional forms like qawwali, poetry, literature, and Sufi music back into public life, infusing them with fresh energy and contemporary relevance. Next is Jabir Ansari, who hails from a humble background, reached the international martial arts arena thanks to his unwavering dedication. He has won multiple gold medals and made his mark in the martial arts, bringing pride to India. Next is Shams Alam. When doctors diagnosed a tumor in Shams Alam's spine, they reassured him he would be running again in peaks. That day never came. But instead of despairing, Shams chose determination. Through grit and love for swimming, he emerged as a para-swimmer who has made a good mark in Bihar, across India, and on international stages. Tayyeba Afroz. She is a pilot and her social media bio proudly features phrases like "born to fly." But behind these inspiring words lies a powerful story. Selling ancestral land, withstanding social criticism, and overcoming physical and emotional barriers, Tayyeba Afroz from Jalalpur village is not just the state's first Muslim woman commercial pilot, she is a vibrant symbol of struggle. Dr. M. Ejaz Ali, former Rajya Sabha MP, has been a relentless advocate for the marginalized for nearly 30 years. His guiding belief is that true development is incomplete without social equality and protecting the rights of the poor. Born in 1958 and raised in an orphanage, he overcame poverty through his academic passion to gain admission to the prestigious Patna Medical College. Jameel Akhtar. As Deputy General Manager at NTPC, he has dedicated his life to educating underprivileged children in Bihar. His commitment is so intense that he has chosen to remain unmarried, believing marriage might hinder his mission. In a Syrian role, his heart beats for a larger purpose, uplifting the generation through education. Muhammad Ibrahim. His extraordinary journey inspires not just the youth of Bihar but all of India. His path from Motihari to Dubai is a powerful testament to determination and purpose. Recently honored with Oxford University's Best Travel Immigration Service Award, his story marks a significant milestone in his professional journey. Dr. Mumtaz Nair hails from a small village in Kishanganj district, Bihar. In her early years, her family struggled even to meet basic needs. Despite hardships, her family chose to invest in her education, a decision that one day contributed significantly to the global fight against some of the world's deadliest viruses. Faizan Ali. At just 18 years, Faizan Ali was earning a degree in business studies when life called him to a deeper purpose. More than studies or ambition, he realized his true calling was serving humanity. Now 23, Faizan from Gaya is a shining example of selfless service. Raised in a modest family, he never imagined his life without pivot from a corporate future to community work. Rani Khanam is the first Muslim Kathak dancer in independent India to turn her love for classical dance into a profession. Originally from Gopalganj, Bihar, she practiced Kathak in a family that did not allow music or dance. Through her arts, she has empowered women and highlighted key social issues.